Welcome to my channel Fashion Trend by Khan1. Introduction to the new blouse design ***. The latest blouse design brings a fresh, contemporary touch to timeless elegance. Crafted for both comfort and style, this blouse combines classic elements with modern flair, making it a versatile addition to any wardrobe. The design aims to cater to a wide range of occasions, from casual outings to more formal gatherings. With its attention to detail, it embraces femininity without compromising on practicality. **2. Fabric choice and texture ***. The blouse is made from a blend of lightweight cotton and silk, ensuring softness against the skin while providing a breathable and comfortable fit. The fabric choice is both luxurious and easy to care for, which makes it ideal for everyday wear. The slight sheen of silk adds a touch of sophistication, while the cotton blend ensures that the blouse remains cool during warmer months, making it perfect for both office environments and outdoor events. **3. Color palette and patterns The blouse is available in a range of colors, from classic whites and soft pastels to deeper jewel tones, ensuring there's an option to suit every personal style. For a more bold look, it features modern patterns such as abstract florals and geometric prints, offering both subtle and statement-making options. These patterns are tastefully integrated into the design, ensuring that they add visual interest without overwhelming the wearer. **4. The silhouette The silhouette of the blouse strikes a perfect balance between relaxed and structured. It is designed with a slightly fitted waistline that provides a flattering shape, yet the overall fit is forgiving and flowy, offering ease of movement. The blouse includes strategic pleating along the shoulders and back, creating a delicate draping effect that enhances its elegant appearance. This design ensures the blouse can be paired effortlessly with both high-waisted trousers and skirts for a chic, put-together look. **5. Unique sleeve details One of the standout features of this blouse is its uniquely designed sleeves. The sleeves are long with a slight puff at the shoulders, tapering down into a fitted cuff at the wrist. This adds an air of sophistication and drama without being too over the top. The cuff also features small, decorative buttons that can be left open for a more relaxed look or fastened for a cleaner, more polished finish. The added sleeve design provides a modern twist on traditional blouse styles. **6. Collar and neckline innovation The collar of the blouse is a hybrid between a classic button-down and a soft, rounded neckline. It has a subtle V-shape, which elongates the neck while remaining professional and modest. This V-neck design also adds a feminine touch, making it more flattering and adaptable to various occasions. A hidden button placket gives the blouse a sleek, uninterrupted line down the front, enhancing its minimalist design while still providing practical functionality. **7. Versatility and styling This blouse can be easily dressed up or down, making it incredibly versatile. For a casual day at the office, pair it with tailored trousers and a pair of flats. On the weekend, it can be tucked into high-waisted jeans for a more relaxed but polished look. When styled for evening wear, the blouse pairs beautifully with a pencil skirt and heels, allowing the wearer to transition seamlessly from day to night. Its timeless cut and modern details ensure that it can be styled in countless ways to fit various occasions. *8. Sustainability and care In today's fashion landscape, sustainability is a key consideration. This blouse is made from ethically sourced fabrics and produced in small batches to reduce waste. The design incorporates durable stitching and finishes, ensuring it lasts through countless wears. Additionally, the materials used in this blouse are easy to care for, requiring minimal maintenance while retaining their beauty over time. The brand is committed to reducing its environmental footprint, making this blouse not only a stylish but also a sustainable choice. I hope you like this. Would you like to explore any of the details further or just the design elements?